New capabilities involving mixtures has been added to Flownex 8.14. In previous versions of Flownex, the user could only select one fluid and one gas to create a mixture. The new capability allows the user to create a mixture of fluids by using mixture of mixtures, which works with most of the fluids available in Flownex. Thus, the user can now select multiple liquids and gases for the mixture. The advantage of this capability is that Flownex can now account for all the fluids specified in the mixture within the network when applying conservation equations. The mass and the mole fractions can be noted at each node, and a clear evaluation can be done of the composition throughout the network. It is also possible to create a two-phase fluid and gas mixture, where a mixture of gases can be specified with a single two-phase fluid. Let us look at the additional feature added for mixtures in the latest release. Here we have a simple pipe network with an inlet and outlet boundary condition. The inlet pressure is 150 kPa and the inlet temperature is 15 degrees Celsius. The outlet pressure is 145 kPa and the geometry of the pipe is specified. You can set up the mixture by going to the charts and lookup tables at the bottom right. Under the project database, you will find materials and fluids. If you would like to create a new mixed fluid, you can right-click on the mixed fluid section to create a new mixed fluid. For this example, the mixture has already been set up. By double-clicking on the fluid, the mixed fluid properties window will appear. Here is a gas and liquid mixture where multiple liquids and multiple gases have been mixed together. Any liquids can be added to the mixture by clicking on the right arrow. The same method applies for gases. Once done, you can press OK to save any changes done to the mixture. We can now assign the mixture to the component under the fluid data reference and specify the mass fractions of each fluid within the mixture. As mentioned previously, we can create a new mixture using the two-phase fluid and gas mixture. Two-phase fluid can be selected from the two-phase fluid drop-down list, and multiple gases can be added by the user. Once the fluid is added to the network, the mass fraction for each fluid in the mixture can be specified. Learn more about Flownex at www.flownex.com and join our discussion on LinkedIn and YouTube.